Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, where you can find the link to the website in the description below. Oil prices continue to be stagnant. I'm concerned that the global economy will slow, leading to lower demand and excess supply. Economics 101 tell us that this is not an ideal situation. But it's important to understand that there are some potentially supportive factors, including the tense Middle East conflict and the reemergence of President-elect Donald Trump's and his fossil fuel friendly government. The key is having patience and waiting for energy environment to improve. If this happens, we could see a lift in smaller upstream oil and gas companies like TXO Partners LP. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol TXO. John, what can you tell us about this company?
Thanks, Mo. Yes, TXO Partners acquires and explores for oil and natural gas liquid reserves in North America. Its assets are found in the Permian Basin of West Texas and New Mexico, along with the San Juan Basin of New Mexico and Colorado. As of recording, TXO stock is down roughly 30% from its 52-week high of $23.56 per share, and 35% below the consensus one-year target estimate of $25.50 per share. The stock is oversold, providing a contrarian opportunity. Now, to compensate for this risk, TXO stock currently pays a forward dividend yield of 14.14%. Now, that should appeal to income investors willing to assume some risk.
And let's talk a little bit about numbers here. How is TXO Partners doing on the financial front?
TXO Partners has grown its revenues by a pretty whopping 249.5% from 2020 to the record $380.7 million in 2023. Now, during this period, the compound annual growth rate was an impressive 51.8%. In the third quarter of 2024, the company's revenues were down slightly at $68.7 million. Its revenue from oil increased 58.9%, and natural gas liquid revenue was up 32.1%. But this was offset by an 81.4% decline in natural gas revenue. In the 9 months to September 30th, 2024, TXO Partners LP reported $193.5 million in revenue versus $288.7 million in the same period in 2023. Again, the decline was largely due to a 73.1% drop in natural gas revenue. Such, overall, 2024 will see weak results on that front. Now, analysts expect TXO Partners LP to report a drop in revenue to $279.4 million in 2024, before rebounding 28.3% to $358.6 million in 2025.
Let's talk a little bit about bottom line as well. What's happening on that front?
The bottom line points to losses in 3 of the 4 years. On an adjusted basis, the results and outlook look positive despite the expected decline in revenue. Third quarter, TXO Partners adjusted earnings of 2 cents per share were 4 cents short of consensus. For the 9-month period, the company delivered a combined 53 cents per diluted share. This is well ahead of the 44 cents per diluted share in 2023. Analysts expect adjusted earnings to come in at, I think, 79 cents per diluted share in 2024, and between $1.41 and a high consensus of $1.80 per diluted share in 2025. Now, TXO Partners' balance sheet needs some attention. Total debt of $155.1 million and cash of just $3.9 million at the end of September.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for a free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, finally, what does TXO's dividend look like?
TXO Partners is relatively new to the dividend game, with its initial payment of 50 cents per share coming in May of 2023. This was followed by 5 dividend payments to the recent November 24 dividend payment of 58 cents per share. Now that compares to 57 cents per share in August, 65 cents per share in May, and 58 cents per share in March of 2024. TXO stock has a forward dividend yield of 14.04% based on the November dividend. It's unclear whether the dividend is heading, given the extremely high payout ratio of 164.5% based on the 2025 earnings consensus. So there is a possibility its dividend could get cut a little.
John, thank you so much for your insights. TXO stock has high insider ownership of 20.9%, which entices company insiders to produce better results. While the forward dividend yield for TXO stock looks attractive, the risk for income investors will be the size of the future dividend. TXO Partners is a work in progress, but its stock could rally if things turn around. Wall Street seems to believe this will happen, given the average target price of $25.50. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.